Kenya in Homabay County?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Do you have any island in Homabay County?
Yeah.
Which one? Name four. Name four of them.
Actually, I know about Rusinga Highland. There is also they call it Chula. I'm not sure about that. It's Chula. Then we have, I don't know whether, sorry, it's an island. I'm not quite sure about it. I can't tell. The two, I'm not sure about them. I can't tell. I'm not sure about the two. Okay, I'm sure about Rusinga Highland. I'm sure about Rusinga anyway.
Only one.
Yeah.
Given a chance to introduce yourself in Luo, will you do that? And
Yes.
why you are here?
Yes.
Stand up and do it.
Hi everyone. I'm also Uchedo Manikai. Anilonga Ivona Nyango Diambo. Anya Luo. Anya Ndiwa. Kendo aero Luo Kakadala. Gimora Moramani aero. Aero Gikumakelo Elomo Woke Pinma Commander Dondi. Mabodong Romo Kase. Ayalomedo aero chiemo, aero ngiragiji, aero diekanisa, aero nyithindo, and casto kendo moro aero goya bal, moro kinde manyalo wacho.
Who is your father? Yes.
My father is known as Moses Obiambu Nyawade. Yeah, he's a man from Siaya. A man from Siaya, they call him just Siaya.
So, do you come from Homabay County or Siaya County?
Okay, I just got a point to explain. I was raised in Diwa. I haven't been in Siaya. That's the reality. I haven't been in Siaya. So
The question is, where is your home place? Are you from Siaya? Okay, I know you are raised in Diwa.
yeah,
But the home place, is it Siaya County or Homabay County?
Siaya County.
Thank you.
Yes, I do.
Location?
Kayambo, Diwa.
Sub-location?
Okay, so it's like you bought a land here and you're still here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I have one question for